Hello friends, thank you so much for your response. Your likes and subscriptions motivate us to add more videos. Let us understand the thoughtful motivation quote today. There is a quote attributed to Albert Einstein: "In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity." I share this with you, as I have found this statement to be so true, if we take the time to look for it. When you face trouble, a problem or complications, there is a chance to find a way to resolve it and learn from the experience. The center of the most difficult problems is the key which unlocks its solution. Find that key in nature's solution, and you will unlock the solution towards the most difficult of problems faced. Welcome your problems as opportunities. Each moment is your greatest challenge and the best thing that ever happened to you. The more difficult your problem, the greater the challenge in working it out. When it's dark enough, you can see the stars. So, face your problems with positive mindset.